I just got off of a career coaching session with my client, and because in the past I have found a lot of people in a similar situation, I want to offer it to you, and hopefully it is going to serve you as well. So she is currently in a situation where she has actually a business on the side, and she sometimes feels like she gets discouraged. She wants to talk to people more because she's working from home alone, and she feels like she's missing the community, because when she is a part of a physically she's around people, it actually inspires her, it gives her new ideas that she can then implement in her business. Now, we all have a different way how we are energetically operating. This part is not about that. What I want to discuss with you is, if you suddenly want to apply for a position that seemingly is not correct way how to grow in your current career, we need to keep in mind that we are judged like crazy by the one paper we call CV. The moment when you send it somewhere, right away they say, really? You are applying for this role? The thing is that just because you have a certain reason and intention behind why you want to be applying for a job that maybe can be a downgrade for where have you been until now, just because you have that in your mind doesn't mean that the people on the other side understand it. And they might right away say that you are overskilled, right? There's actually so many people who want to downgrade their position because they don't want to keep going in the direction that they kept going. That's why they want to change. But yes, we are afraid that we are going to be faced with their judgment, or we are going to be judged. What actually we can do is to take that piece of paper and put the intention on that piece of paper. Of course, you can put it on it energetically, but we also want to actually put it on it. So often at the top of your CV, you can have a written profile info or about, etc., this kind of things. This is the place where you want to put it in 2 to 3 sentences to kind of say why you are applying for this specific job. What is the direction that you want to take or not to take? Because to be honest, most people don't read a cover letter. I wouldn't personally waste my time to write it unless the company specifically asked me for that. But this is kind of like a very intense version, let's say, of a cover letter where you express your intention, when you express why you're looking for something. I personally, in my last job, I had there written that I'm searching for a solely remote role because I'm moving to Portugal. I had no way how I'm going to move to Portugal at that moment, but I already put it there as an intention for my next job, and this is exactly what happened. I got that job, and while I was in the job, I actually managed to move to Portugal because I was working fully remotely. So whatever it is that you want, put it on there when you're applying so that you actually not get certain responses, because the responses would want to put you in a certain location, put you in a certain box, and clearly you're trying to get out of the job. Don't be too afraid of the rejection. You want the wrong people to reject you, and actually to attack the right people, the right career, the right opportunities that you desire right now in your moment.